Eh bien, salut les enflammés, c'est Mislam, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour un nouvel épisode sur Red Dead Redemption. Donc la dernière fois, nous avons fini par mettre fin à la vie de Dutch, du coup, et retrouver notre femme et notre fils. Et du coup, on a plusieurs missions à faire dans cette zone. Je pensais qu'on avait atteint la fin du jeu. L'épisode dernier, du coup, a été très long, justement, à cause de ça, en croyant que j'avais fini. Et puis, au final, j'avais oublié qu'il y avait un peu de quêtes à faire, donc on va aller les faire. Pestilence, ok.
What you cooking?
Same thing I've been cooking the past 15 years with the hope of poisoning you.
Ain't working so well.
Not yet.
I'll be honest, though. Tastes bad enough to kill a man.
I never was much of a cook, but I did try to be a good wife.
And you have been.
Given what we was and what we came from, I think we've gone and done okay. I look at Jack. I look at him and I think we've been blessed. Maybe he can be something more.
He's a good kid. He can be whatever he wants to be. He ain't gonna be no frontier gunslinger killing and running no gang, though. That way's over. Railroads and government and motor cars and everything gone and done away with all that.
And he ain't gonna marry no orphaned working girl running with a bunch of hucksters, neither.
If he meets one like you, I hope he'll marry her.
Stop. For an illiterate gunslinger, you sure know how to make a girl blush. God damn crows! John! You have got to go deal with them. They've broken into the silo again and are eating all the corn out from it.
Of course, my angel.
Get out of there.
All right, all right.
Come on. Scat. Shh.
Encore un de moins. Putain, mais ils sont chauds à éliminer, là. Oh, je vais monter directement. Ah, on peut pas. Fuck. Putain, mais c'est chaud en vrai. C'est bon, on a réussi à tous les avoir. Ouf.
Finally. Now about that stew.
Oh, bah elle a été très rapide cette mission, dis donc. Ok, j'ai d'autres missions, on va aller voir. Ok, votre proche n'est plus là, revenez plus tard. Et ici... Non plus, ouais. Les deux quêtes que j'ai là, je peux pas les faire pour le moment. Enfin, les deux quêtes. Deux missions, pardon. On va retourner ici. Voir Abigail. Vieux amis, nouveaux ennuis. Oula.
John, we got a telegram from some lady friend of yours, a Bonnie something or other. Something you ain't telling me?
Bonnie McFarlane. She's a friend.
Mm.
Saved my life when I went after Bill and nearly got myself killed again.
Oh, now you two's in the habit of sending each other letters. How very nice.
It weren't nothing like that. What's it say?
I don't know. I can't... Well, you know I can't read.
Give it here.
You read that thing out loud?
I ain't hiding nothing. Dear Mr. Marston, stop. Need corn sacks. Stop. Emergency. Stop. Weevils and moths ate entire county supply. Stop. Can you help? Not exactly the most romantic request, now is it?
I guess not. She saved your life, you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then you're gonna have to help her and her family out. We've got a plentiful supply of corn sacks over near the silo. About the one thing Uncle didn't manage to have stolen while we was gone.
Okay.
Hurry back, John. And John, what's she like?
You know. A little bit like you, I guess. She's a woman in a man's world.
Allez, on va aider Bonnie du coup. On va lui apporter un peu de maïs.
John, wait! I changed my mind. I'm coming with you. What are you waiting for? We better hurry.
Ah, en plus c'est chronométré. Ah bah yes.
I don't think I can let you go off again without me.
Fair enough. I'm glad of the company. You only had to ask.
Ask? I was waiting for you to ask me.
I thought you'd want to keep an eye on the boy.
Oh, while you were off cavorting with cowgirls in the next county? I don't think so, John Marston. You only just got home. That Jack's seen enough of me for a lifetime. So, is she married? This phony McFarland?
No,
What does she look like?
I don't know. Pretty normal, I suppose.
Normal? What? Normal like me?
No, normal as in 2 eyes, mouth, nose, that kind of normal. Besides, ain't no woman fine as you.
A little flattery. Now we're finally getting somewhere.
Find yourself
What
a
the
home.
fuck? La charrette qui a disparu devant mes yeux. What?
Another pearl of wisdom from John Marston. I sure do miss those.
I never took you for the jealous type, Abigail.
I ain't jealous so much as curious.
You heard what she wrote. It's just some corn. She saved my life and she was decent enough to me, so I owe her this much at least.
J'ai pas compris là, le truc a disparu.
Anyway,
She found me half dead on the side of the road, took me to the doctor. Most folks would have left me there.
half dead from what?
Bill didn't take so kindly to me visiting unannounced.
Bill never did like surprises. How was he?
Same as he was when we left. Angry and dumb. Taking his revenge out on the world. People down there was really scared of him.
A Bill? You gotta be kidding me. He was only frightening if you was afraid of dumb fools.
Bill weren't so bad, but when Dutch went crazy, Bill took it hard.
For a while, we all thought we'd found something right. Better way to live, but it was just a lie. So you saw before they did.
Maybe. But they was still kind of a family.
A family that left you for dead. You knew the truth, John, and they hated you for it.
Aïe aïe aïe.
Where did they take you?
Who?
Those government bastards. Where did they hold you and Jack?
I ain't sure. They kept their eyes covered there and back. Can't have been too far from here, though.
They treat you right?
It ain't the first time I've had a gun to my head, John. You're forgetting your marriage proposal.
Very fun.
So, they learned pretty quick what would happen if they laid a finger on me.
Sons of bitches.
It wasn't them or being there. I didn't care about that. I've been in far worse situations. It was the waiting. I didn't know if you was coming back.
Ok, on est arrivé, nickel.
You came. Thank you so much. We lost the entire harvest.
Miss McFarland, I'd like you to meet my wife, Abigail.
Oh, ain't you quite the gentleman all of a sudden? It's a pleasure to meet you, Mrs. Marston.
Likewise. Thank you for saving my husband's life. And for teaching the miserable goat some manners, among other things.
I didn't teach him anything. I know better than to try to change a man. You should meet my father.
Oh, people can change, Miss McFarland. John and I have to believe that more than anybody.
This is a decent first harvest for you, John. You should be proud. That's good land you got there.
How are you feeling, Mrs. Marston? From what your husband told me, it must have been awful for you.
I've been through worse, and I knew he'd be back before too long. He can't cook a meal to save his life.
Abigail, in my darkest hours, when I was most homesick, just the thought of one of your rat meat stews kept me pushing forward.
Well, about as amusing as a weeping saddle sore, ain't he, Miss McFarland? If you're gonna start yammering about women's work, John, I'd say you might be in the wrong company.
I'd say so too.
I never felt so outnumbered.
Ok, ça c'est une bonne chose de faite au moins.
Ma'am?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a regardé comme ça là? Ah, allez, maintenant on fait le chemin du retour.
So that was the famous Bonnie.
That was her, all right.
She's pretty.
She's normal, like I said.
Well, you always wanted to be a rancher. I'd have thought she'd be just your thing. The perfect rancher's wife, if I ever saw one.
I already got a rancher's wife.
I'm only teasing. I like her, and I'm glad she saved your life. Most of the time, anyway.
The McFarlands are good people.
She did blush redder than a shepherd's sunset when she saw you, though.
I have that effect on women.
You've clearly had one too many blows to the head.
You ain't wrong about that, Mrs. Marston.
Aïe aïe aïe.
That's quite a ranch they got there.
That'll be us someday. As soon as we get back on our feet.
I don't know, John. How many times can we start again? An outlaw and a working girl. We ain't exactly farmers.
We are now. Forget that life. It's over.
Do you really believe that?
We have to. It's the only way we'll ever have a future.
The life we led, that doesn't go away. It's never over. You think those government men are just gonna leave us alone now?
The whole gang's dead. I did what they asked.
And that's it? A life of pride forgiven?
We're back together, ain't we?
Until they decide you owe them something else.
Sometimes I think I was the stupid one for believing I could get out. Maybe Dutch, Bill, and Javier were just being honest with themselves.
You ain't perfect, John, and I sure ain't. But you're better than they are. And they were.
Maybe we can't change. But we gotta try, for Jack's sake. Even if we have to start again 100 times. It's better than going back to what we were.
Putain.
How's Jack doing?
Angry, upset. He's been through a lot.
I hope he's gonna be all right.
It's gonna take time. For a while, his world was safe. Normal, even. Then it got turned upside down again.
He ain't saying much about it.
I've tried to talk to him, but how do you explain any of this? What do you say when he asks about Uncle Bill and Uncle Dutch?
Oupsie, le petit
They were
rocher.
family when he was a little boy.
He hides away in those books of his.
Wouldn't you? It ain't like the real world's done him many favors. He's just been kidnapped. He grew up with the gang. That's no life for a boy.
We did our best to protect him.
Come on, John. He saw things no boy should see.
Well, now we got a chance to make it right.
Ok, on est rendu, nickel.
We did good today, John. I guess I better go fix us something to eat.
Ok, est-ce que je peux aller faire une autre mission ou pas là du coup? J'ai l'impression que le J, je peux peut-être aller le faire. Pas du tout. Oh, mais ils me font chier! Bon, je vais aller dormir du coup. Allons dormir. Ok, est-ce qu'il fait jour? Non, il fait encore complètement nuit, du coup. On va repasser encore la nuit. Comme ça. On est bon, voilà. Est-ce qu'il est là cette fois? Votre proche n'est pas là pour le moment, revenez plus tard. Mais ils me font chier. C'est le vieux ça, non? Il est où le vieux là? Mon proche n'est pas là pour le moment, revenez plus tard. Ah non, c'est pas le vieux, c'est le gamin, ok. Faut lui laisser le temps d'arriver, putain. Prends tout ce temps, hein. Mais si, il est là, mais qu'est-ce qu'ils me disent? Il est juste là, mais je peux pas faire la quête. Super! Revenez entre 11h AM et 10h PM. Et il est quelle heure là? Il est 7h. C'est une blague. On va encore passer un coup une petite partie de la journée? Putain, mais quelle horreur, je vous jure. Putain, ce qu'il faut pas faire pour pouvoir réussir à choper le bon temps. Ok. Là, on est bon. John Marston et fils. Ok.
What's the book, boy?
Nothing, sir.
What's it about?
Well, it's an adventure, sir. Set out in the West, and it tells this amazing story of how people killed the savage Redskins, and how this man, this brave man, hunts the man who killed his father.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Talking of adventure, how'd you like to learn to track elk? Really big ones in the valley this time of year. We could use the meat.
Well,
I know you'd rather read your adventures. Trust me, this can be very enjoyable in its own way. I suppose maybe it's a little less dramatic. So, let's go, come on. You may get to see me get gored by some massive wild beast. Then you can write a story about that.
Very funny, Paul. I've forgotten how funny you was.
Grab your things.
Ok, on est parti. Prends bien tout ton temps, surtout, hein. Il est pas pressé, celui-là, je vous le jure.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Ok, faut qu'on suive notre chien.
When he finds something, you stay back and I'll show you how to make a kill.
Whatever you say, sir.
You sure you're ready for this?
I guess so.
Now the trick to hunting is calm and patience. You gotta think and move like an animal to catch an animal. You don't seem too excited about this.
What do you want me to say, Paul? Yippee?
Are you sure you're all right? I mean, I know all that business must have been hard on you.
It wasn't nothing. I'm not a kid anymore.
Well, it won't happen again. It's over.
Until the next time, you mean?
There won't be a next time.
Don't make no more promises, Paul. I've heard them all before.
Jack, he's on to something. You know, one time I hunted a bear up in tall trees. You never seen a bigger animal in all your life.
I read this story about a girl who was raised by wolves. She'd hunt goats with them and everything.
Sounds like a tall yarn to me.
Taller than a boy being taken from his home and locked up in a dungeon.
I'm just saying. Maybe you spend too much time with your head in those books.
I thought you and Ma wanted me to read.
We do. So long as you're not, well, hiding from the real world.
Ah mais il va vite le chien.
A little late for that, Pa.
Slow it up now. Jack, there's one up ahead. This one's mine. Stay with me, son. Come on. I'll show you how to cut the meat.
I thought he was gonna get away. That was great, Pa.
You just gotta wait for the
Putain, mais
right
il a
time.
foutu son cheval au mauvais endroit lui aussi.
That's a big one.
This meat should fetch a decent price in Manzanita. This'll fetch a good price.
Ok.
Keep watching. It'll be your turn next. Go on, Rufus. Sniff us out a couple more.
Go on, Rufus.
Let's go. Whoa. You ready to take a shot, Jack?
Of course, Pa.
Remember, it's all about timing. Wait for your moment. Don't snatch
I
at it.
know. I saw how you did it.
Parce que moi je l'ai même pas abattu au fusil, je l'ai abattu au pistolet.
Easy.
J'avais pas l'arme qu'il fallait pour tuer une bestiole de ce genre.
Go on, Rufus.
Allez, le chien.
You can do it, Rufus.
Yeah.
Go on, boy.
There they are. Jack, come on. Get after them.
Over there.
Come on.
Il est en train de s'échapper par là.
You can do this.
I see him.
Don't rush it.
Et de 1.
Come on. Saw how I cut the meat, Jack. Now it's your turn.
Whoa.
Nice work, son. You're a
Nickel.
quick learner. Now come on. Let's get this meat over to the trading post at Manzanita. You did good, son.
Allez, on est parti à Manzanita, de ce que j'ai vu.
We'll go out again soon. I told you you'd have fun, didn't I? Let's go.
Et il arrive à suivre le chien, je suis en train de me demander.
Go. Come. All right, here we are.
Howdy. Every day, more new people.
Hello, friend.
Ok,
Well, let's see what...
on va vendre un peu ce que j'ai aussi là.
I hope you enjoy a smooth ride. That Marston fella, he's been causing all sorts
That's all I got for you right now. All done. Let's head home.
Allez, viens là, abruti de cheval. Mais il fait quoi, là? Putain, mais il est con.
Let's go.
Allez, on est reparti. On rentre chez nous. Là, notre chien, il arrive à suivre. Par contre, Jack, il a un peu de mal, j'ai l'impression. Il va falloir qu'il accélère un petit peu avec son cheval. Hein.
Oh, Paul, that was so much fun. I can't rightly believe it. Just like in the books.
We'll do it again soon. Now get to your chores.
Très bien. Bon, il nous restera un peu de quête encore à faire. Je sais pas si on aura fini d'ici là. En tout cas, j'espère que cet épisode vous a plu. Si c'est le cas, le petit like, le petit partage, le petit commentaire, le petit abonnement, ça fait plaisir. Et sur ce, c'était Miss Flamme. Bye bye tout le monde.